Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to draw the mouse from the books. From the books, if you give a mouse a cookie. Those are fun books. So let's get drawing. All right, we've got 2 pieces of paper so our Sharpie doesn't go through onto our table. We're going to start over here with the nose. Let's do the nose right over here. We're going to do a little curved.
Mom, I did the other one.
Okay, that was kind of low though. We need to fit his body in, and you did it down there. Here, let's flip it over. There you go. So a little nose right there. And then it comes together like that. Can you do that?
I need to do some more glue.
You can just bring it together underneath. Good. Okay.
It looks like a carrot.
And then,
I'm gonna eat this carrot. Ow!
all right, so now we're gonna do an upside down rainbow.
Nom,
Like this.
nom.
Do you see that upside down rainbow? Perfect. And then we're gonna do one that way. Yep.
Like this?
Yes. Good job. All right. Can we draw some polka dots inside? Cute. All right. Now we're gonna draw the teeth. So draw a line down like that. And then 2 curved lines on the other side. Cute.
Now he drew Jippy now.
Okay, now we're gonna draw an upside down rainbow again, right there. And then we're gonna fill in everything except for the tongue. Did you draw your upside down rainbow? Upside down rainbow right here. And up. And is that his tongue right there?
Okay.
You can fill in everything.
This is he drew the peanut.
All right, so now we're gonna draw his eyes. One eye goes right
Wait.
there. Oh, you're filling in this tongue? Okay. We're gonna draw one eye right above the nose, right there. Can you draw one eye right there?
Circle.
Okay, those are too big. We're doing little eyes, but that's okay. And the other eye is out here a little further.
He looks really funny.
Okay, you can fill those in and then put little eyebrows on top of him.
I came some little. He's sleepy.
All right, so right here we're gonna draw a backward C, which is like a curved line, and it goes up close to the eye and then stop right there. Perfect.
Now I can see it fit my body.
Yeah, let's do the ears first. We're gonna do a curved line up like that, and then we're gonna do little tufts at the top and then come back down with another curved line, and then we're gonna do another line inside of it,
Mom, I don't want to do it.
and then some tufts of hair going up right here, and then some more tufts right here next to it,
Tough.
and then the hair is gonna go back right there, and then we're gonna draw his other ear. So a curved line out and up. And
I'm
then
going to do this.
And then we're gonna curve back in, and then down, and then over. And then from right here, curve it up
Ta-da!
and over. Cute. All right, I just finished that ear. Now I need to do the side of the face like you did. So little tufts of hair.
I connect it.
And I'm not gonna connect it. I'm gonna leave it right here and skip, and then come over here and do a little chin right there.
I know when you're doing change.
That's okay. All right, The only thing we're forgetting on the face is the whiskers. He has 3 whiskers.
I want to do this big one. I get on your paper.
It's okay, no problem. All right, now do your 3 whiskers that way. Very good. Okay, so now we need to draw his overalls. So we draw 2 little rectangles. Overalls are the clothes he's wearing. Okay. And
Dots.
yeah, there are polka dots in there. If you can fit polka dots, they do have little polka dots in there. And then there's a line that goes right here. Okay, can you draw the horizontal line right there? Good. And then we're gonna
I want to do his belly button.
curve. Well, his belly button doesn't show. Okay,
I want to
curves.
get him some
His-
clothes.
Yeah, his overalls kind of have these folds in the fabric. Look at these folds.
I'm not going to do
And then
his
here's the
clothes.
bottom. Okay, here's the bottom of his shorts, like this. And you can draw the cuff like that.
Mama, could you help me?
Okay, so
Could
draw.
you do that?
You're gonna draw a line from here to here, and then out to here. Good. And now we're gonna do the bottom of his pants over to here.
Can you? Okay.
Good. And now, good. Should
I
we draw?
didn't do the polka dot.
That's okay. Let's do his foot. So we're gonna draw his little leg, kind of
Can
almost
you
like
do polka dots?
yeah, almost like a triangle, but you stop before you get to the point. So you go from here to here.
Stop.
And then you can do that other line if you want. It's actually more like right here, from here to here.
I don't want.
Okay, that's all right. And then his foot, you do this shape, and then little toe markings, and then just a curve.
Straight.
Good.
Wait.
Good. Now let's draw his arm.
Mama.
So we draw one line down like here.
Got his arms and his clothes.
Can you draw an arm right here? Hold your paper. Good. And then we do a thumb and then 3 fingers.
And I do the
Wow,
pinky.
good job.
One more.
Good job. All right, so now we need to draw the little clasps that the overall has. But you've already, well, you could draw one here. So draw a circle right there and another circle right here. These are the clasps that hook his overalls on. And then we're gonna draw a little square for his pocket on his overalls. That's where his little pocket goes. And then you can draw polka dots
I
inside.
need to do this.
All right. And then there's little polka dots. And then there's little polka dots all along there. All right. Let's do the other leg. Okay, so we're gonna make a curved line that connects the 2 legs, and then another cuff down here.
Mama, can you do polka dots?
Sure. Here, look. Let me just finish this cuff right here. All right, so you're gonna draw a line from here to here.
Why did you do some bumps?
Good. And then can you draw the cuff?
Where is the cup?
It's like this. So it's
Mommy.
connect those dots.
I need some more dots.
I'll just go over to here now. Good job. All right, now let's do some
I
wrinkly.
can't be happy. Wait, these are his legs pointed.
Alright, so you do these little curved lines that show wrinkles on the side. But you can just go up if you want. And connect it. And then his
other arm.
Well, his other arm, yep, comes, so you draw the side of his body, and then we're gonna have this arm going up.
Mama,
Oh, that's so cute.
I finished.
Well, almost. One.
Mama, I need a color.
Hold on. We have to do his other foot. You've only done the cuff. You haven't done his other foot. So we're gonna draw 2 lines down. Oh, someone's here.
Wait, let me see.
And then there's little lines on the
Mama?
inside. And then,
Can you polka dot?
sure. Okay. Look at your paper. All right, so you draw a line from here to here. And then
Daddy's here.
another line from here. And then draw the little lines. Oh, yeah? Okay, now bring it all together. Cute. And then draw 2 little lines. Oh,
Hey.
welcome home. You're home early.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
I need my Sharpie.
Look what she just drew.
Whoa! That looks so good.
My
I
curve.
can tell that's a mouse.
He's yelling.
He's yelling. All right, we'll switch it to time lapse now. If you decide to color yours right now too, the colors you'll need are blue, light brown, and a darker brown, and pink. And you can pause it and follow our example. Okay, can you show them your drawing?
My drawing. B D B T E E E E.
You did so good following along and drawing. I'm so proud of you. Good job. We hope you had fun drawing with us. I'd love to see how yours turns out. So tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and that way I can see how it looks. And don't forget to read lots of books this summer and play outside and have a great summer. We'll see you next time when we draw another fun character from another fun book. Bye!